Welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see the steps to calculate the volume after an inquiry is created in Fresa application. Initially, we have to log in into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how our dashboard looks. Now, go to the customer service module. From the customer service module, select the inquiry sheet menu. On this all inquiry page, give the required details such as date range, from date and to date, then click submit. Here, all the inquiries will be displayed on the screen. Now, select the required inquiry and click edit option. On this inquiry details page, select the dimension tab. Under the dimension tab, select the add option. Here, give the required details such as length, width, height, number of pieces. Now the volume has been calculated and displayed on the screen simultaneously. Here, click the save option. Now, the calculated volume has been displayed on the screen on the respective line item. These are the steps to calculate the volume after an inquiry is created in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.